Hi, today I'm going to talk about how you can leverage cloud monitoring for your App Engine apps. So your App Engine apps could be a mobile app, could be anything, and you can use cloud monitoring to find out if the application has an error or an alert or an incident has happened at any level of your application. Specifically three things. One, what you can easily do with App Engine. Two, what you can, and that works. Two, what does you can easily do but does not work. Three, what you may be able to do and what you cannot do with App Engine at all. So one, you can easily do, and that should be your number one goal in your apps. Two, doesn't work, don't sweat about it. Third, but it's in the documentation. Third, it doesn't work, period. So first one, if your application blows up, you would want to get an alert before your customers tell you about it. Hopefully, you don't want to wait for the blow up. You want it earlier than a blow up. So 2xx. So at the level of the what you're talking about, it could be at the application level error. It could be a system level. It could be an infrastructure. And cloud monitoring allows you to catch at every level. And then the funnel the alert and then channel the alert out as an SMS or as a pager or as an email. Okay, number one, what easy and it works. I got it working for 2xx, which is success. So if your 2xx or HTTP success has been missing for say 5 minutes, then you would definitely want to send some alert to you. They say another use case, if your 5xx is there, if you get a 5xx consistently for too long, then you want to send an alert. Those are like HTTP status at application level. At infrastructure level, you can measure network latency. Like if the requests are taking too long, like several seconds, then that's bad, and you want to get an alert about it. That is the easy thing to do. That is something I've verified and works. Then another thing that works is pub/sub alerts. If you we have public pub/sub in almost all our applications now. So if you have a publisher sending a message and it has not been delivered, then the undelivered message count goes up. There's a way you can set up an alert that checks if undelivered messages go above a certain threshold, then an alert is fired and you should get a notification about it. Also, you can have outstanding messages in the queue, in the pub/sub queue, that you can get an alert about. So these metrics are basically, the idea is that an alert, it can be created when a metric is above or below a threshold. A metric is missing, a metric is present too much. All these are already there. All these are like drop down and clickable. No code is necessary to set up these alerts. Then these are the things that works pretty well and are set up now. And using them, we actually even found in our production app that when we were not getting 2xx. Second part, when it's easy and it seems easy, but it doesn't really work. Those are health checks. We tried to do health checks for HTTPS. However, we couldn't get it to work. So I think we are still in conversation with Stackdriver. So Stackdriver is the team that Google bought last year and is now doing cloud monitoring for us. Third is the alerts that Stackdriver or cloud monitoring does not support at all. Those are error log alerts. Error log alerts have a different flow that we need to use. Which is eCatcher. eCatcher is supposed to look at error catchers, supposedly, and then it's supposed to run on all the error logs and shove the logs out, and where you can do rules there. But that's outside the scope of cloud monitoring. So cloud monitoring does not support error logging alerts. Yep. So hope you learned something from this. I can shift to demo after this. Thanks.